Osho's stories. Bodhidharma with one shoe on his foot, one shoe on his head. Lao Tse says, all the world says, my teachings greatly resembles folly. Because it is great, therefore it resembles folly. Because it is great, that is why it looks like folly. Deep down, if you search within yourself, you will also see that if suddenly Mahavir comes and stand here naked, you will think that he is a fool. What is he doing here? Lao Tse comes here, you will not be able to recognize him. It will be impossible for you to recognize him. He will look like a perfect fool. Bodhidharma reached China. The whole country was waiting for him. The king himself had come to the border of the country to receive him. 1,000,000 people had gathered because a great master was coming, and when the master appeared, people started giggling. It was impossible to believe their own eyes. Even the emperor felt very uneasy because this man Bodhidharma had one shoe on one foot and the other shoe he was carrying on his head. What manner of man was this? The king said, "Excuse me, sir, but what are you doing? We had come to receive a sane man. Are you insane?" Bodhidharma laughed and said, "So you have failed in the examination. If you can understand this only, then can you understand other things that I have to say? If you cannot tolerate such a small contradiction, it is not much, just carrying a shoe on the head. If you cannot tolerate and understand this much, it will be useless for me to stay here." He turned back, he left the town, went to the forest. He said, "There is no need to stay. Nobody will be able to understand me. Now I will wait. Those who can understand me, they should come to me." He never entered into the capital again. Contradictions are very difficult for the mind. Mind lives in a routine. The shoe must be on the foot. That is the accepted thing. It should not be carried on the head. Such an innocent thing. He was not doing any harm to anybody, but no, impossible. We have a leveling of everything.